Actions Menu Overview. The Actions menu consists of options that you can perform on multiple segments at the same time. The Actions menu can be found on the Quick taskbar. Clicking on the arrow next to Actions will open the drop-down menu listing all the available actions. We will go into more detail about what each does later. Before we do, let's talk about batch actions. If you need to complete several actions at the same time, click on Batch Actions. Under Actions, you will see that the available actions have been put into two categories, on segments and on languages. Depending on your needs, you can complete as many or as few actions at the same time. Let's take a look at how to select multiple actions. Begin by selecting the first action to take place. In our example, we will choose Unlock or Lock Segments. Then choose the next action. Here, we will run a QA check. Don't forget to adjust the parameters of your actions as you go along. Finally, let's choose Lock and Unlock again, only this time we will lock the target language segments rather than the source language. That is enough for now, but if you wanted, you could keep adding actions. For your reference, at the top of the page, it will list exactly how many actions you have added to your list. Click Apply to run these actions. In the System Updates pop-up window, you can choose to change the segment status or the bookmarks. To save this setting, check Remember this choice. Let's have our batch action segments marked green by clicking into the Success bubble. Once you've marked your choices, click Apply. You will have to confirm your choice and be warned that these actions cannot be undone. Once the system has processed the batch action, another batch action window will pop up. This window will list all of the actions completed and how many segments were altered by each of the actions. Because we ran a QA check as part of our batch actions, we are also shown how many issues were found. You can run more actions by clicking the Actions button, which will return you to the batch action page. We will look more closely at what actions are available in the coming unit.